Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the storm that's brewing in the financial markets, and trust me, it's not looking pretty. If you think your investments are safe and sound, you might want to think again. Buckle up because we're in for a bumpy ride, and it's not just the stock market that's at stake, it's your hard-earned money on the line. We've seen interest rates on the rise, and that might not sound alarming at first, but if they continue this way, we're headed for a financial accident. It's not a matter of if but when something breaks. Just remember 1987 when currency turbulence played a significant role in worsening recession worries. That's the kind of storm cloud that's looming over us now. The dollar's recent erratic behavior should be a wake-up call. It doesn't take much to trigger concerns in the market. Any hint of a recession could be devastating for equities. We're tiptoeing on the edge of a precipice, and it's not a place you want your investments to be. What's particularly concerning is the rapid change in yield curves. The yields on government debt, the most boring thing in the world, are shifting at an alarming pace. We're approaching the most rapid change in yields since 1987. Yes, that 1987, the year of the infamous stock market crash. Historically, whenever the Fed tightens its grip on interest rates, a market crash follows suit. The pattern is crystal clear, and we're currently on that trajectory. You might think they won't break anything this time, but remember, it's the same tune playing, just with different lyrics. The financial conditions globally are deteriorating rapidly. The world is feeling the heat, and it's not the warm, fuzzy kind. We're at levels of misery that haven't been seen since November 2020, a time when we were pricing in a recession. We're on the brink, and we might not have the same I and J magic trick to save us this time. But it's not all doom and gloom. Some folks are making money in these turbulent times. They know how to navigate these treacherous waters. They understand the fundamentals and are making informed decisions. They aren't swayed by the echo chamber where everything seems green and glorious. Oil prices are skyrocketing, and inflation is on the rise. Oil is the gas on the inflation fire. Remember 2008 and what happened with oil prices? It's not a coincidence that we're seeing similar levels now. When oil prices surge, it adds to inflationary pressures, and that's not a good sign. Fear is back in the market. Fear indicators, like the VIX, are rising, and bond market movements are reflecting anxiety levels we haven't witnessed since the days when banks were failing. Investors are getting jittery, and it's not without reason. So, what's the bottom line here? We're facing a perfect storm, a cocktail of rising interest rates, deteriorating financial conditions, and the ominous shadow of a potential recession. The fundamentals are shaky, and it's time to be cautious. But don't just take my word for it. Learn how not to lose money in these turbulent times. Join our trading protocol and watch me trade live. Ask the tough questions and get the answers you need to make informed decisions. In conclusion, the storm clouds are gathering, and it's time to batten down the hatches. Protect your investments, stay informed, and don't fall for the illusion of green pastures in the market. Like and subscribe to our channel now for more insights into the financial storms brewing on the horizon.